In this chapter, we will demonstrate how to use the dynamic analysis functions on a specific property location. First, we need to click on the Analysis tab, where there are various options, such as Demographic Analysis, POI Analysis, as well as 15-minute living circle and infographics. Next, we need to enter our address. For example, let's use this one, and the map will be zoomed to the specific property location. After that, we can choose the items we want to analyze. For example, the population income with a radius of 1,000 meters. Then we click on Calculate and just wait for a while. The report of the statistics will be displayed under the Analysis tab. You can observe the distribution of population income and the detailed population numbers for each income category within the radius of this property location. Additionally, you can use the POI analysis. Here you can select all of these items and search within a radius, like 1.5 kilometers. Then click on Calculate and you will find all the related points of interest POIs displayed on the map. You can see how many of these POIs are present by looking at the statistics table. Moreover, you can explore 15-minute living circle. For instance, we can choose walking for 5, 10, and 15 minutes. Click on Calculate and wait for a while. Then you will see how far you can reach from the selected property location. Thanks for your watching.